So this is my PC. I'm using Windows 7 64-bit, and as you can see I have 4 gigabytes of RAM. So I'll be installing another 4 gigabytes later on. It will add up to 8 gigabytes. I'll show you later. Alright guys, this the DDR3 I ordered just arrived. This is a 4 gigabyte DDR3. This is what I'm going to install on my i3 processor. Okay, I'm gonna take this tower out. Okay, I'm going to install the DDR3 that I just purchased. I'll be installing this DDR3 to my i3 processor desktop. So first thing we'll do before we open up the tower is to unplug the power outlet. Okay, and then we're going to push this power button for 10 seconds so that it will drain out all the power. Next, we are going to open our power. Okay, you just remove some of the wires and turn this over, and then we are going to locate where the DDR is going to be installed. It's going to be installed right here. So I already have an existing DDR. I showed it during the first part of the video that it was 4 gigabytes. I'm gonna add this baby over here, another 4 gigabytes to make it 8 gigabytes. Okay. Okay, make sure we don't have any static. We touch a metal part here from our tower, and we are going to take this one out. Alright, there. So the DDR has what we call teeth on them, so we just have to locate the slot, DDR slot over there. Okay, we will know that it's will fit because the number of teeth versus the number of slots will be pushed. Put it down there. Okay, so it's pretty easy. Okay, it's like putting in a Lego to its proper place there. So it fits perfectly. So use both fingers from either of your hands, snap it real tight. Okay, so it's already inside. So next thing we'll do is we'll plug in the power, and let's see if it will detect our new DDR3 RAM. We already installed our DDR3 RAM to the motherboard. Now we're gonna plug this power back to our tower, then we'll switch on. Switch on. Tower there spinning. Let's see if it will detect our RAM. Okay, so it looking good. We're going to, so we've successfully installed our RAM to our motherboard. Now we're going to check if it actually detected our new RAM. Okay, we go to computer, then properties, and voila, we see now that we have 8 gigabytes of RAM. Earlier it was only 4 gigabytes. Okay, I hope this will increase the processing time of our computer, and that's it. I hope this has been helpful to those who watched the video, and I thank you for watching the video. Do have a great time, everyone, and bye for now.